Hello class, my name is Christopher Rockwell and this is my Project 2 video review for AOC 1304. Um, I really enjoyed this project. Let me start by saying that. I found it to be a little bit more challenging than it seemed, simply because of the syntax, trying to figure out, kind of make a practice of going through the code and approaching objects the way we do is just so different from JavaScript and anything we've done in the past. So I had a few syntax errors here and there. Um, but the book I chose was How to Eat Fried Worms. It's a book I read, I think like in middle school or something like that. And I decided to choose that book because I thought it was a pretty neat book. Kind of brought back memories. So as you see here, I have all my information. Um, Matter of fact, let me bring up the actual app. Which this is at my actual iPad. I have this app called Air Server, which basically is kind of like AirPlay. It mirrors my screen onto the from my iPad onto the MacBook. So this is my actual iPad, as you can see here. Let me bring up. This is my actual, as you can see here on the little indicator. I'm actually mirroring my screen. So I have How to Eat Fried Worms up here at the top. The author, the publishing. I kind of try to make it kind of stylish a little bit. Every color had to be different, so it's not just the actual color scheme or anything. But I tried to make the text in the background kind of match a little bit with the corresponding elements like this red, the light red, this gray, and the blue, and just kind of try to mix and match. I really enjoyed learning this though. I feel like this is the good way because the repetitive nature of it. The fact that we had to go through and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different labels. That kind of helped me get the syntax. By the time I was on like 5 or 6, I had it down pat. So I went in also and did. I took the link that we had and did all web colors. I converted it from web colors to Xcode or iOS colors. So I went through and did all that on every color I have. I had a lot of fun working with the arrays and the mutable strings and working with that logic down here, as you can see here. The way I did it was I appended the and. If it was equal to 4, I added the and. But if it wasn't equal to 4, I added just the comma and the space. That way to go through and loop through and grab all the items first and then add the comma. And then if it's 4, add the and without the comma. And add the last object, which is food right here. But as you can see here, again on the screen, I have all my summary, my list of items down here that's actually coming from the loop right here. And that's pretty much it as far as my overview of my app. I really enjoyed this week, and I hope to learn a lot more about objects. Kind of go deeper off into like creating our own objects, which I'm sure we're probably getting ready to do next week or week 4, because everything's pretty much leading up to that. I'm really excited to kind of play with some more features and maybe play with the XIB file and kind of drag and drop some items and create something pretty neat using the XIB file. I really enjoyed this week. Hope you all enjoyed it as well. Talk to you later.